today we'll do exercise 1.3 and that is from class 9 NCERT Maths. The question is write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So we have to find is what kind of decimal expansion is there. So you can see the first question 36 by 100. So if you divide this 36 by 100, then you will get 0.36 because two zeros are there. So after two digits, you will put the decimal. So 0.36 terminated here only, and this decimal expansion is terminating and non-repeating, only terminating decimal. We can write here terminating decimal expansion. This is terminating decimal expansion. Now number 2, 1 upon 11. This is given 1 upon 11. So what will be the decimal expansion? You see, just you will after dividing you will get decimal 10. So we cannot divide this 10 by 11. So again here we will put 10. It will give again 10. Then 9 times 99 1. So decimal will give 10. So in one time we will get only 10. Not possible to divide. So we will put 10 here. Then it will give 10 again. 9 times 99 1. So you can see always we are getting 1, and when you divide this 1 by 11, it is giving 0.09. Means 09 is going to be repeated. Means this 09 is repeating. It means 1 by 11, the value is 0.09, and 09 is repeating decimal. So this will be repeating but non-terminating. Repeating but non-terminating decimal expansion. Repeating but non-terminating decimal expansion. This question number 3. By 13 you divide 3. So it is not possible to divide 3 by 13 because 3 is smaller than 13. So we will put decimal. It will give 10. Now 30, and that is greater than 13. So you can divide. How many times it will go? 13 to the 26. 10 minus 6 4. Decimal will give 10. 13 3 are 39 1. Decimal will give 10. Not possible to divide. So here we will put 10, and it will give 10. So 13 7 are 91. 9 decimal 10. 13 6 78, 12 decimal 10, 13 9 117, 3. So you can see this 3 came again because we started with 3 and after that this 3 we are getting here. It means when we repeat, when we divide, then these digits will be repeated. So what it means, this type of decimal is repeating but non-terminating. It is not going to terminate, so this is not terminating decimal but going to repeated. That's why this is called a repeated decimal. So we will write 13 by 3 by 13 equal to 0.230769 repeated decimal. So we will write repeating but non-terminating decimal expansion. The same way we will do number 4 also. By 11 we will divide these two. Then what will be decimal 10 one time, 9 decimal will be 10 again, 11 8 88, 2 decimal again will give 10, 11 1 11, 9 90, 11 8 88, 2. So the 2 is again 2 is coming, it means 1818 repeating. So this type of decimal is repeating but non-terminating. So 2 by 11 equal to 0.18 and 18 is repeating. So we will write repeating but non-terminating decimal expansion. So you can see here. Next 400 will divide 329. So one time, because 329 is smaller than 400, so we'll put decimal, it will give 10. 4 8 8 times 32, then 0 9 decimal again 10, 4 2 8, 800, 100 decimal again 10, 4 2 8, 200 decimal will give 10, 4 5 20 100. You can see this is terminate here only. This terminates here only. So this type of decimal is called terminating decimal. 329 upon 400 equal to 0.8225. This is called terminating decimal expansion. So you can see here, and you understood this is the solution, and we can understand by dividing. We can understand by dividing. Okay, we see. Let us see the question 2. you know that 1 upon 7 equal to 0.142857 upon bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? Yes, we can predict, because you can see here the value of 1 by 7 that is given. So we can find easily what will be the value of 2 by 7 without actual division. So how it is possible? Let's see. Since 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857. This is given. 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857. This is given. Now we have to find which value of 2 by 7 without dividing. So 2 by 7 we can write in the form 2 into 1 by 7. And value of 1 by 7 we have already. So what we'll do? 2 into 0.142857 means 2 multiplied by 0.142857, and that is repeated. So what will be the value? Value will be 7 to the 14, 5 to the 10, 1 11, 8 to the 16, 1 17, 2 to the 4, 1 5, 4 to the 8, and 2 1 the 2, and 0.1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is next. So without dividing we got this value of 2 by 7. In the same way we will find the value of 3 by 7. 3 by 7 equal to 3 into 1 by 7, and what will be 3 into 0.142857 upon bar equal to, now we will multiply 7 3 ja 21, 5 3 ja 15, 2 17, 1 carry, 8 3 ja 24, 125, 2 carry, and 3 2 ja 6, 2 8, 4 3 ja 12, 1 carry, 3 1 ja 3, 1 4, 0 point. You see, next also, for getting in value of 3 by 7, we did not divide, we predict the value by applying the value of 1 by 7. Next, 4 by 7. 4 by 7 equal to 4 into 1 by 7. We can do. So 4 into 0.142857. So what will be? Again we will multiply. So 7 4 is 28, 5 4 is 20, 2 carry, 8 4 is 32, 34, 3 carry, 4 2 is 8, 3 11, 1 carry, 4 4 is 16, 1 17, 1 carry, 4 1 is 4, 1 5. So this is the value. Next, 5 by 7. So 5 into 1 by 7, 5 into 0.142857. Then what will be? 7 5 is 35, 3 carry, 5 5 is 25, 3 28, 2 carry, 8 5 is 40 and 2 42, 4 carry, 5 is 10 and 4, 14, 1 carry, 5 4 the 20 and 1 21, 2 carry, 5 1 the 5 and 2 7. So this is 0.714285. 0.714285. Next one, 6 by 7. 6 into 1 by 7. 6 0.142857. Then what will be 6 7 is 42. 4 carry, 6 5 is 30 and 4 34. 3 carry, 8 6 is 48 and 3 51. 5 carry, 6 2 is 12, 5 17. 1 carry, 6 4 is 24 and 1 25. 2 carry, 6 1 is 6 and 2 8. So 0.857142. So these are the value. So we got the all value without dividing. So you can see. Okay, next question. Okay, see the question number 3. Express the following in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Means these decimal expansion we have to change in the form P by Q, means in the rational form we have to change. So solution number 1, let x equal to 0.6, then what will be? This will be 0.666 dot dot dot, means 6 is repeating. Then how many digits are there? Repeating decimal, only one digit. Then what we'll do? We'll multiply it by 10. So multiplying both sides by 10. By 10 we get 10x equal to 10x equal to 6.666 dot dot dot. And you know this 6.666 dot 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 we can write 6 plus 0.666 dot dot dot. And you know the value of this 0.666 is x. So we can put here 6 plus x. Now this is the variable term and this is also variable term, so we will transfer. So when you transfer, then you get, it will be minus 9x equal to 6, or x equal to 6 upon 9. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Therefore x equal to 2 by 3. So this is the solution. Next question. Let x equal to 0.47 upon bar. And you see here, this 7 is repeating. This is the repeated decimal. So what will be 0.4777? We can write, first of all, in the previous class I told you how many digits are non-repeating. Means non-repeating decimal first we will bring left side of the decimal, after that the repeating part will bring. So non-repeating digits only 1, 4. So first we will bring 4 left side. So for bringing 4 we will multiply by 10. So multiplying by 10 we get 10x equal to 4.777. Now we'll bring the repeating part. So repeating part is repeating digits only one. So again we will multiply it by 10. So again multiplying both sides by 10, we get, what will be 10 10 100x equal to 47.777, and this 47.777 and here 4.777. So this is, I suppose this one equation 1 and this is equation 2. So subtracting 1 from 2, we get 100x minus 10x equal to 47 minus 4. Then what will be 90x equal to 43, x equal to 43 upon 90. So this is the answer from P by Q. Now the last question 3. Let's see question number 3. Let x equal to 0.001 and 001 upon bar is there, means 001 is repeating. So we can write this 0.001 001 001. So how many digits are repeating? 3 digits. So we will multiply it by 1000. So multiplying both sides by 1000, we get 1000x equal to 001.001 001, and this can be written as 1 plus 0.001 001. 1000x 1 plus, and value of this we have already supposed x. So what will be 1000x? This x will transfer left side, so minus x equal to 1 equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 999. So this is our solution. So you can see the rest of the questions we'll do in the next class. Thank you.